My name is Cuddy, and welcome to the Out the Door podcast. Today we are joined by a special guest, the Dani Blade. Round of applause.
Thanks for having me on the show. It's great to be here.
So let's get right into it. What are you doing, man? You are literally changing the cutting game for everyone. Do your peers hate you?
I mean, I do, but just a little bit.
I'm not really sure how my peers feel, and to be honest, I don't care. Well, let me ask you this question. Who do you think you are? I mean, what gives you the right? Haha. Seriously though, Dani Blade is taking over. You have to be excited about what's going on.
Yeah, it's been great, and we're just getting started.
So people want to know, how exactly do you work? You're not exactly like a regular box cutter, no offense.
None taken. I am very different. The long-awaited upgrade is how I would describe.
But to your question of how I work, first of all, I'm wearable, which means once they put me on, they don't have to put me down until the job is done. So that's what those two side rings are all about.
Exactly! I'm mounted to the hand by those rings.
And the black button on the top of my head rests comfortably against the palm of the hand.
And when the user closes his hand, like a fist, it pushes the blade out and they're ready to cut.
That's pretty fun.
But what's also cool is, once the user opens their hand, the blade auto-retracts.
That's so cool, I hate it, for real. I'm disgusted by how cool that is.
Let's take a quick break, and we'll be back with more from the Dani Blade.